Sunshine on a Rainy Day does home makeovers for children with long-term illnesses and special needs. So we do anything from wheelchair-accessible bathrooms, in-home therapy rooms, to wheelchair ramps, and dream bedroom makeover like today.
My first introduction to Sunshine on a Rainy Day was when another local family, the Parrish family with Mary Elizabeth, they came and did some work in her room for her, so that was very touching.
We can't do this without the help of donors and partnerships and volunteers in the communities.
My husband and I were very excited to be involved in what we consider a no-brainer opportunity to be a part of this organization.
What's exciting for me is I see not only what Sunshine on a Rainy Day has done, but it's pulled our community together. Both citizens that have helped out, folks have donated money, time, services, but also even our police and our fire department have gotten involved and volunteered and helped out, which just shows you what a great community we have and how everybody's taken a part of it.
Families with sick children go through so much. It's not just the child, but it's also the parents and the siblings as well. So us being able to come in and bring in a room for hope and some sunshine into their life is so rewarding.
Anytime there are sick children, everyone should give whatever they can to help make them have a happier life.
Today is really exciting, the reveal day. The family hasn't seen any of the room or the designs, so today's the first time they get to see it.
This is awesome! Oh my god!
Oh my gosh! Look at this!
It's better than I thought.
Wow.
What? It's awesome.
What do you think? I don't know what to say. This is like so incredible.
There are no words. This is just amazing.
It's way better than I thought. It's awesome. Thank you. Okay. And scale from 1 to 10, I would say 100.